Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open a bank account with Sofi. First, visit sofi.com or download the Sofi app on Android or iOS, then click on Get Started. Now enter your email address, create a strong password, and verify your email and phone number using the OTP. Next, choose Sofi Checking and Savings, which is the most popular option. It comes with no minimum balance, high interest savings, and a free debit card. After that, fill in your full legal name, date of birth, SSN or ITIN, and your US address. This information is required for identity verification. Sofi may ask for an ID scan such as driver's license or passport and selfie verification. This process usually takes only a few minutes. Once your account is set up, you can link an external bank, set up direct deposit, or skip funding and do it later. Direct deposit unlocks higher interest rates. Your virtual card is available instantly, while physical debit card is delivered within 7 to 10 days. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, high yield savings, and free ATM withdrawals at the select ATMs. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.